Yeah, well, my bubba, the one that most hits me the most is Lomir Ale Ineynem de Mishpuche Mekabel Ponim Zayin, de Mishpuche Mekabel Ponim Zayin. Lomir Ale Ineynem, trinken a Gläser Lewein. Und so weiter. Und as noch a Mishpuch, eine von der Mishpuche wollte gekommen, kein mein Bobbes Heus, wollte sie singen die Lied mit sehr Nomen. Mother sin mekabel ponem sein, da da da. So it was, she would make a patch azoy, and whenever two people would argue in the family, my bubby, who was she was very argumentative, I have to say. Not that much towards me because I was the Eshta Anikel, and somehow that gave me something in the family that I didn't realize later that maybe but when everybody would fight, she'd go, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, but she'd get in the middle, Nacham mit Patchen, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, stellt them some of all, no fighting in my house, except the only person who can fight is me, She was quite a character.